Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the reviews of 2PR website. 2PR offers features such as AI hosted audio interviews, content summarization, and access to a database of viral posts tailored to your niche. This approach helps professionals including bloggers, job seekers, B2B sales experts, and founders enhance their online presence efficiently. 2PR helps users generate posts quickly, transforming raw ideas into polished content in just about a minute. This can save a lot of time for busy professionals. It leverages artificial intelligence to help create personalized content based on your input, ensuring a quick turnaround while maintaining a professional tone. 2PR can summarize lengthy content, making it easier, essential points for your posts. The platform provides access to a database of viral posts tailored to your niche, offering inspiration and ideas for your own content. It aims to preserve the user's authentic voice while enhancing their content, which is important for personal branding. So this is all the reviews of 2PR website. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.